So welcome to day number 30. Last day of the 30-day video challenge. Started off this morning with a screw in our tire. And now we're at a client's house about to start on redoing their fireplace. So here we go. And that is the end of our 30-day video challenge. This is the last video. Hope that you've enjoyed your daily dose of rest and dust and not gotten sick of this yet. It's definitely bittersweet because it feels good to feel like we actually made a commitment and stuck with it. Like we posted, we filmed, edited, and published 30 videos 30 days in a row. So feels like a big accomplishment, even if it was just a little thing. But we plan to start doing weekly videos again, so bringing you at least one video every week from here on out. So make sure that you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so that you can be notified every time we post a new video. You can also follow us on Instagram at rustandDust.diy if you want to see more behind the scenes stuff and see more content that's like what you've gotten a taste of in the 30-day challenge. Thank you guys for watching, and as always,
thanks for watching the flipping video. Catch you next time.